Originally starting this business, for me, I mean, I was a teenager at the time. I was 18 years old. Didn't quite know what I wanted out of life. I knew I wanted to be a police officer at some point, knew I wanted to have family and kids. But I also knew that being successful and starting something of your own and working your way through that process, it's going to benefit me in the long run more than going to work 9 to 5 every day for somebody else. My buddies that were all law enforcement officers that were working with me, they loved to make spare cash, and I started paying them to do it. They'd go out, we'd have a work truck, work crew, and just kept building and building on the business. But as time went on, I decided that having the business and doing it full time was going to be a better route for my family. When we decided to move back from Sterling to the Greeley area, we decided to put some bids in for some larger contracts for some municipalities, and I ended up winning them all. So I went from having 2 mowers and doing it part-time to having to hire guys full-time to do it. Our clients love the fact that they have law enforcement officers out there mowing because they're trusted. They have great backgrounds. To be in a law enforcement, you have to go through an extensive background check. Typically, we run 2 to 3 guys on a crew. We'll be mowing anything from fire stations, police departments, town halls, residentials, and then on the same side of it, we're running a second crew to mow, parks anywhere from a 2-acre park up to a 32-acre park. Using Exmark products, for us, it has changed the way we do our business. We might be on a mower for up to 14 hours in a day. There is terrain that we mow that is extremely bumpy. Everything is not exactly, like mowing a golf course. But I retired from being a law enforcement officer because I broke my back. That was one of the big issues and one of the reasons why I decided to grow this business. And using Exmark products compared to the competitors' products, I'll take an Exmark any day. Our customers have commented that their lawn looks that much better. They don't have big clumps of mulch laying around anymore. They don't have the tears in the turf from the zero-turn mowers. Our customers really like the product, and that's why we keep using Exmark. Having my own business, being able to kind of control my own destiny, it's always been a goal of mine. For us, we have our schedule that we do. And if I'm ever ahead of schedule, I start, of course, on the next day's mowing, and then that way, if we can, I can take some extra time off to be with the family. Mowing and having the equipment we do from Exmark, it's allowed us to have a different life than living in town. Kids love the farm animals. That's one of the primary reasons we have this place, is so they can enjoy that. And whether it's I get home at work at night or early in the morning, we're out feeding the chickens, feeding the pigs, feeding the goats. Kids absolutely love the tractor. I wanted to pass on to my kids that nobody is going to give you anything in life, and you got to go out and earn it. And values as a family: work hard, be honest, and if you're doing good in business, be smart about the choices you're making. Whether if you're making good money, invest it back in the business, invest it back in quality equipment, and keep building it. If you would have asked me 10 years ago, do you ever think the lawn business will be the size it is now? I would have told you, no, I don't think so. To me, it's all about putting in the hard work and being honest. And that's because working with law enforcement officers, we work as a team. We always had to work as a team before, and it's no different, running a business and mowing a lawn. You want to do right, and you want to get it done right.